In this video, we're going to go over the next language of SQL, which is the transaction control language, which focuses on commit, rollback, and save point. So commit is going to make any changes since the last commit permanent in the database, and this cannot be undone unless you have a backup to restore your database. Rollback is going to restore the database since the last commit. So if you make a lot of changes but you never commit those changes and then you hit the rollback command, it's going to undo all those changes. Save point can be implemented inside of applications that when you're running multiple transactions, let's say you have several transactions work properly and then you have one transaction that fails, the save point can kick in and only restore since right before the failure. So it will only roll back to that save point and not undo all the other changes that were made. On MySQL Workbench and my server, changes are automatically committed, so you cannot reverse these changes. Now, if you wanted to disable auto commit in MySQL Workbench, you could run the command set auto commit equals 0. To enable auto commit, you just say equals 1. Now on my server, you can't really disable auto commit. So to show you what I mean by this, here we are back at the server. I'm going to go ahead and delete all the records from the payment table using the delete from payment query. But before I run this, I'm going to add the rollback command. So now if I run both of these queries at the same time, they should work. And you can see that query 1 says that 11 rows were affected, meaning all 11 rows from the payment table were deleted. Query 2 shows that all prior queries were successfully rolled back. And so if we go back to our tables, the payment table normally would have all records deleted, but since I rolled back, it undid all those changes. Now, on the server, if you want to test your changes, make sure that you run rollback at the same time as running any other query, because again, it's going to automatically commit any changes.